Right, if you're afraid of losing your happy ending, that means you found it. What is it?
Don't you know him? It's you. I've yet to see you fail. You can overcome anything.
Granted, it was hardly love at first sight, but...
You are a pirate.
Yeah, that I am.
What are you doing? Things changed. We changed.
Okay. My armor's been on for such a long time that I...
But at some point, even though we're quite different,
Try something new, darling.
If I help take off that armor,
you've got to trust me.
It's called trust.
don't put it back on just because you're gonna lose me.
And I know it. Let you face an uncertain future.
Sometimes I forget I don't need it with you.
But there's one thing I want you to be certain of.
Look, we made each other better. When Emma and I were never a predestined love story guaranteed a happy ending. We fought for our love and we won.
And I will always be by your side. I never thought I'd be capable of letting go of my first love. That is until I met you. It was
A one-time thing.
I know how you kiss. I'd have gone after her.
Just because you learn that you come from true love doesn't mean you believe that you'll ever find it.
Will you marry me?
But thanks to you, now I have. Yes.
Spent over a century trying to find a way to kill a bloody crocodile.
I love you.
I can spend at least that long trying to save the woman I love.
They say that a captain's heart belongs to his ship.
You traded your ship for me.
With this ring, it now belongs to you. There's not a day will go by I won't think of it.
Good.